Welcome scholars and parents to the Grade 1 Math Homework teaching video for the week of May 2nd through May 6th. So for Monday's homework, you are basically going to use these quick tens to answer the questions below. You are going to find out if the first number is less than, greater than, or is equal to the second number. So 20 is less than 30. So you pick one of the phrases from this word bank and then write that word here to make this number sentence true. Now let's do B. 14. That means you have 4 ones. And for the ones, you are supposed to put the circles. So please draw 4 circles. And for the quick 10, you will draw one of these bars. Since we have one quick 10, you will draw one bar. Now for 22, there are 2 quick 10s, so you will draw 2 bars plus 2 circles for the 2 ones. Next, you are going to write one of these words from the word bank to make this number sentence true. So 14 is less than 22, therefore that word should be written here. And for question 2, you are going to circle the number that is greater than 28. So any of these numbers that are greater than 28, you should be circling them. And for question 3, any number that is less than 31, you should be circling them. Then for Monday's homework, you are also going to write the numbers in the order from least to greatest. That means smallest to biggest. So smallest number here in this box is 23. So cross out 23 and write it here. Next smallest is 29. Cross it out, write it in the second blank. Then 30 comes next. So cross it out and write it in the third blank. And 32 goes in the fourth blank. Afterwards, you have to figure out if 27 is going to be next to 23, 29, 30, or 32. So if you count from the smallest number, which is 23, 27 goes after 23, then we count 29. So 23, 27, 29, 30, 32. So you can write here that 27 goes after 23 but before 29. And that's something you can write to explain the order where 27 belongs. Now try to solve question 5 by ordering these numbers from greatest to least, that is biggest to smallest. Next, find out where 23 belongs and write your answer here. And you will, for question 6, use these digits that they have given in this box, 9, 3, 4, and 2, to make 4 different 2-digit numbers, that is less than 40. They have done 2 examples for you. So basically they made 2-digit numbers by using 2 numbers from this box, which is 3 and 4. And they made this 2-digit number by using 2 and 9 from the box. Now you need to find 2 more 2-digit numbers from these numbers, that is less than 40, and write those 2 2-digit numbers here. Next, order those numbers from least to greatest. Then for Tuesday's homework, you are going to write the greatest number on the side that the alligator mouth is open. So 20 is greater, that therefore you will write 20 in the first blank, and 10 on the side of the mouth that is closed in the second blank. Again, look for the greatest number here. 17 is greater, therefore it should be written on the side that the mouth is open, 17. Then 15 should be written on the side that the mouth is closed, on this blank, 15. Next, for question 2, you are going to compare the 2 charts to show which number is greater. So the alligator mouth that is open should be facing the side of the greater number. So 18 is greater than what? 18 is greater than 17 or 16 or 15. Whatever number that is smallest to 18 should be written here. So that's how you would do question 2. Then question 3 for Tuesday's homework, you will have to find out if 16 is less than or is greater than 17. So we all know that 16 is less than 17. Therefore, you have to draw a line from this box to less than. So 31 is greater than 23. Therefore, you draw a line from here to this alligator mouth to show that it is greater than. Then for Wednesday's homework, you are going to use these symbols to compare the numbers on either side. Again, you are going to use the alligator mouth that is open to the side of the greater number. As you can see here, the greater number is on the side of the alligator mouth that is open, and the smaller number is on the side that the alligator mouth is closed. And then you will also have to pick the phrase from this word bank below to complete the number sentence to make it true. So 17. Is 17 less than, greater than, or is equal to 13? 17 is greater than 13. Therefore, alligator mouth should be open to the side of the 17. And you should be writing here 17 is greater than 13. So pick that word here and fill in the blank. Now try doing all the other questions by yourself. Then for Wednesday's homework, again you will be doing the same thing. So write the alligator mouth to show if it is greater, if this first number is greater than, less than, or is equal to the second number. So I will do question 9 as an example. So 1 10 and 5 ones is 15. So 15 is greater than 14. Therefore, alligator mouth should be open to 15. And then you also should be writing here 1 10 and 5 ones is greater than 14. Please do the others in the same manner. Now Thursday's homework. You will draw a number bond and complete the number sentence given to match the pictures. So when they have this word tens or 10, that means you are counting how many tens you see. There are 10 flowers in each of these parts. So basically there are 2 tens here. That's why they wrote 2 tens. And then here on the other side there is only 1 10. So 1 10 on the other side. Also note that the pictures are on either side of the number bond. That shows the 2 parts that make up the whole. So the 2 parts should be written here next, on the sides of the plus sign. Okay, so one part should be before the plus sign and the other part should be after the plus sign, and the plus sign should be between the 2 parts. So write 2 tens and 1 10, and next you are going to add all the tens, which is 1 2 3, and write that as a total. And also you are going to write how much is 2 tens. 2 tens comes to 10 20 in total, and 1 10 comes to 10. So 20 plus 10 more is 30. So you will also write in the number bond 30 on the top to show the whole part, and 20 and the 10, which are the 2 parts that make 30. Let's try doing a subtraction number sentence next. So you can see that they have the picture of the 3 tens and 1 10 is crossed out. So you will write how many tens are there in total in the first blank, because always the subtraction sentence is going to begin with the biggest number or the total number of objects that are there. So 10, 20, 30, 30 should be written in the bottom, but 3 10 should be written on the top. And next you're going to take away 1 10. So 1 should be written here, and then 10 should be written on the bottom, because 1 10 is 10. So how much is 30 take away 10? It is 2 tens left. So 2 tens should be written here, and 20 should be written next to the equal sign on the bottom. And then when we are doing the number bond, we are going to still write 30 on the top, because 30 is our total number. And then out of the 30, we are going to write 10 that we are going to take away. in this first place or as the first number. So 30 take away 10 is 20, and 20 should be written last as the second number. Now try doing the others by yourself. Next, for Thursday's homework, you are going to draw quick tens and complete this number bond to help you solve the number sentence. So quick tens in this question 7 will be 10 plus 20. So put one 10 bar for 10 and two 10 bars for 20. Then add them all up, 10, 20, 30, and that should be the total. And now complete the number bond. So write the total, which is 30 on the top, then 10 as the first part and 20 as the second part to show 10 and 20 makes 30. Now, if you're doing a subtraction number sentence, you are going to do the same thing. So for quick tens, you will draw 30 quick tens. So 30 bars, 1, 2, 3. So 30 bars in the sense it is 3 10 bars. So 3 10 bars is 30. That's what I meant. And put an X on 1 10 bar to show that you are going to be left only with 2 tens, which is 20. So you will also write here 30, and the number that you take away should be written first, and the number that is left after taking away 10 from the 30 should be written last, which is 20. Now try to solve the others by yourself. For Thursday's homework, I also included this 100 page just so you can practice what numbers come in the number sequence from 1 to 100. Also note the numbers that comes before each of those numbers. So after you write all the numbers 1 to 100, please count the numbers 1 to 100 forwards and then count the numbers backward from 100 to 1. I hope that this video was very helpful to you. If you still have any questions, please come see me before or after school, as well as you can email me or call me too. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will all have a great week.